What's up everybody, Cody Does It, back at it again with another video. Today I just want to show you a quick time saving tool that is pretty inexpensive and is definitely worth its weight in gold. So here it is. I know many of you work in a shop and you deal with taking tires off. For whatever reason you have to remove the tire. Okay, so here I have a socket. It's a 21 millimeter, you can see 21 millimeter. And here's a 21 millimeter Ford socket, or lug nut, sorry. Doesn't fit it. So Matco makes toolkit Lt1233, and you can see there chrome cap buster 18.5, 19.5, 21, 21.5, 22, and 22.5. So in turn, whenever you use it on swollen lug nuts, it works perfectly. They come in and out, and basically that 1/2 millimeter is what they swell to. So it is nice to have something that works. It's very handy. Knocked all these off. I didn't have to fight to try to get all the lugs out of my socket. So definitely something worth buying. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below. Follow me on Instagram, CodyDoesIt89. And as always, stay motivated, make money, and try to be happy, guys. I know COVID sucks, but try to be happy.